Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. In the previous video, we saw how Google Docs can be used to get so much information. Sometimes we cannot enter inside that particular thing like the web cameras or trying to access some routers through Google. That's because they have passwords. So sometimes you can use the default passwords, and there's a very good chance that using the default password, you will be able to get inside it. How do I find the default passwords? Well, these are some commands that you can put in Google to find that. You can try all in text password file type so and so, and it'll show you all the passwords that are there. Or you can type CIRT passwords, datarecovery.com, passwordsdatabase.com, router passwords, and so much more. Let's take a look at the very first one. Let's go here. So let's go here and just type all in text password file type log after 2018. This will show you all the passwords that are after 2018. So that's it. Just click over here and you will be able to download tons and tons of passwords that have been created after the year 2018. Not bad, right? You can just go through tons and tons of files that are there. That allows you to go through that. Or what you could just do is you could just go to Google and search for default password, and you will find that there are ample websites that will provide you with that. So you can see there's a website called defaultpassword.com. There's a website called cirtnet.com, and then we have a datarecovery.com and so many other platforms. Let's take a look at this one. So that's showing you a list of all the default passwords. This one, cirt.net. So you want to know what is the password for 3com, just click on 3com, go down, and this particular model, this is the user ID, this is the password. For this model, this is the user ID, this is the password. So in case somebody has put a default password, you can easily crack that default password using this technique. So that's your datarecovery.com, and it shows you all the default passwords of all the model numbers that are listed. So that's it. You can see the usernames and you can see the passwords. So this is how easy it is for you and me to get people's passwords. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.